Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are sitting comfortably. Close your eyes. Rest your hands on your lap in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Do this breathing again a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. In this meditation, we will notice where we feel different emotions in our body. Picture the emotion of happiness. Imagine a time where you were feeling very, very happy. Try to notice what feelings change in your body, and then notice where this emotion lives in your body. Maybe you feel it in your cheeks because it makes you smile. Maybe you feel a flutter in your stomach. Wherever you feel happiness, let this feeling grow. Let it be bigger, and imagine it growing inside your body. Picture yourself happy, really happy. Picture yourself feeling confident. Imagine a time that you felt very good and confident about what you were doing. Imagine yourself as feeling confident and notice what you feel in your body. Maybe you feel it in your upper chest. Maybe you feel it in your arms and hands. Where do you feel confidence? Imagine it in your body. And now imagine that feeling growing, bigger, fuller, more and more confident. Imagine now feeling kindness. Imagine a time that you felt connected to other people, that you felt happy, that you felt you were making them happy. Picture a time that you were kind. Picture a time that you were making a group of people laugh. Let that feeling fill your body. And now notice where kindness lives in your body. Try to notice anywhere that kindness makes a changed feeling in your body. Maybe you feel kindness in your heart. Maybe you feel it in your mind. Maybe you feel it in your stomach. Where do you feel kindness? Now let that emotion grow. Let that emotion feel full and radiate through your body. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find the magic in your day.